Hibiscus Moon and all the other crystal hotties out there. Welcome to my craft / spirit room. I want to be a crystal healer, a certified crystal healer, because my whole life I've been interested in rocks. Ever since I was a kid, whenever my family would go on a vacation, if we would go into a souvenir shop, my sister and I both would always want to bring home rocks. Then later on, when I became a mom, I had a little boy, and he, since the time he could speak and walk, would always bring me rocks. I never got a flower from the little guy. I always got rocks, and actually I have them here in this purple vase. I have since become a Reiki master. I have one student, one awesome student, and I would like that avenue of my life to go. I am currently a dental hygienist, and while I've always loved working with patients and healing, I have gotten to the point where I don't necessarily like working for other people, and the whole fluoride, pineal gland crystallization situations kind of bothers me. So I'm going to have a conflict of interest there. So I would like to get on a dental hygiene and work for myself full time. I would like to thank you for this time and this opportunity. Good luck to all the other applicants. I look forward to working with you, Hibiscus, whenever that's going to work. Hopefully this next semester. If not, it will work when it's supposed to. So God bless you all, and I will see you on the flip side. Bye!